Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create and set up Google Pay account. First thing first, go to the Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS and download and install the latest version of the Google Pay application. Now, open the Google Pay app after installation, then tap Get Started. Tap Connect to Gmail. A pop-up will request permission to access your device location. Just accept it. Google Pay uses location to notify you when you're at places that accept Google Pay or support loyalty cards. Just tap Turn On to enable this feature. Now at the bottom of the app, you'll see 4 tabs: Home, Payment, Passes, and Send. Go to the Payment tab, then tap Add Payment Method and follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card or bank account. And once set up, you can use Google Pay to make secure payments, send money, or store passes and loyalty cards. And that's it, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the video if you like it.